Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a bank account in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your Odoo homepage. In here, click on the accounting icon right here, and this will lead you to the accounting page. In the accounting page, click on configuration from the navigation menu, and then click on Add a Bank Account under the Bank section in this drop-down menu. This pop-up will appear where in the top right corner, you can choose if you will be adding a local bank from your country or a bank that is available worldwide. So for example, we will be adding a PayPal account. So look for the PayPal account in this pop-up and then click on it and choose if this account will be used for business purposes or for personal use only, and then click on Connect down here. This will open a new tab where you will just follow the next steps so you can add your new bank account to Odoo. And that is how you can add a bank account in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.